little artists! Today, we're drawing the cutest tomatoes you've ever seen. Are you ready to add some playful personality to our canvas? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers because we're diving into the world of adorable tomatoes. Draw 2 circles with me. Simple, right? Now, let's add a touch of nature. Draw the sepal and stem of our tomatoes, giving them a home in the garden. Time to bring these tomatoes to life. Add some cute eyes, a little nose, and a friendly mouth. Let's give them a personality that will make them your new art buddies.
Wow!
And to make these tomatoes stand out, let's make those outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. Now they're ready to steal the show. Now, let's add a burst of color to our cute tomatoes. Are you ready to name some delightful hues? Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Pink color. Brown color. Red color. Tada! Our cute tomatoes are ready to add a touch of charm to your artistic garden. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Bye for now, my fantastic artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.